Let's talk supplements for building muscle, a topic drenched in claims, marketing, and confusion. If you're hitting the gym hard, supplements aren't magic potions, but can give you that extra 10 to 20% edge when used wisely. First up, protein powder. Classic, right? It's convenient when getting enough protein feels like a chore. Aim for 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight daily. A quality whey isolate blends easily and digests fast. But remember, food first, powder second. Creatine. This stuff is like a gift from gym gods. It's one of the most studied supplements with proven muscle and strength benefits. Take 5 grams daily, no cycling needed. Pro tip, don't bother with overpriced superior blends. Plain creatine monohydrate works just fine. Branched-chain amino acids, or BCAAs. Overrated and overhyped for most. Unless you're training fasted or doing extended endurance sessions, you're better off just getting your amino acids through food or a complete protein source like whey. Save the cash. Pre-workouts. They're tempting for the caffeine buzz and focus they provide. Sure, they'll get you hyped for a session, but at $40 a tub, you can drink coffee for less. Key ingredients to look for? Beta-alanine and citrulline malate. Fish oil. Strange for muscle gain? Think again. Reducing inflammation and supporting joint health is vital for those heavy lifting sessions. About 2 to 3 grams of combined EPA and DHA daily keeps things running smoothly over time. Multivitamins, they're fine, but don't lean on them as a crutch. Lifting and building muscle puts stress on your body, so iron, magnesium, and zinc are especially useful. Still, don't expect a huge strength bump from popping a pill. Let's address weight gainers. They seem attractive for skinny guys who can't eat enough, but they're mostly overpriced sugar bombs. Instead, blend oats, peanut butter, banana, and a scoop of protein powder in some milk. Cheaper, healthier, tastier. Testosterone boosters. Most of them are trash. They prey on dudes' insecurities with flashy marketing. Unless your blood work shows low T levels, these aren't necessary. And if you are low, consult a doctor, not some random product called Beast Mode 3000. Collagen. Becoming trendy, but more for recovery and joint health than direct muscle gain. If you're older or worried about connective tissue health, it's worth trying. Pair with vitamin C to help absorption, but don't expect Mr. Olympia-level muscle definition. Electrolytes, a sneaky essential. When you're sweating buckets, especially in longer sessions, replenishing sodium, magnesium, and potassium can improve performance. Liquid hydration powders are a solid choice after a draining workout. Or just add a pinch of salt to your water. Timing matters less than total intake over the day. Stop stressing about the anabolic window immediately post-workout. Just hit your nutrition targets and stay consistent. Consistency builds muscle, not micromanaging every gram the second your workout ends. At the end of the day, supplements are just tools. If your diet's trash, they won't save you. If your training is inconsistent, they won't compensate. Eat real food, lift progressively, and add supplements as a finishing touch, not the foundation.